Evteck A4 paper cutter 12-inch paper trimmer scrapbooking supplies with automatic security safeguard and side ruler for craft paper, label, photo, and cardstock. Professional school paper cutter, with sharp blade, easily to cut straight along the transparent wire. Very smooth and no resistance. Portable and simple operation, meets the basically cutting needs, a great choice for school, home and office. Glone 12-inch paper trimmer, A4 size paper cutter with automatic security safeguard for coupon, craft paper and photos. Green. The mini blade on the paper cutter is so sharp and durable that the cutting process is smooth. And the blade works only when you press it. The blade hidden design protects the user, especially children. Ideal for cutting A3, A4 and A5 paper. Perfect to cut photo, picture, card and much more paper products. Urban A4 paper cutter 12-inch titanium straight paper trimmer with side ruler for scrapbooking craft, paper, coupon, label, cardstock, more Andy Professionalguillotine features a sharp spring-loaded blade system with a side ruler for safe, cleaner, and straight cuts along the printed line. You can easily replace the blade when it becomes blunt. Efficient selected Meradi paper cutter is designed to cut A3, A4, A5 paper.